sermon, it is inspired from what we find in the book of Matthew, chapter number 14. Matthew chapter number 14, verse number 22 to verse number 33 of Matthew. This is a story of Jesus when Jesus was walking on the water. So, 43. Immediately Jesus made the disciples get into the boats and go ahead of him to the other side while he dismissed him. Matthew was on the shouting, he said, calling with Bible, more courage. He said, I'm not trying to find the Bible, more courage. So, told him, Matthew, one day we know, why should not you show? Simple, very simple. You know, I shall put no choice. Matthew 14. Matthew is the same guy we should know Benjamin to the bonk in our band. The same guy. Now, Abraham, now, bonk and Janelle. Verse number 22. Immediately, Jesus made the disciples get into the boats and go ahead of him to the other side. While he dismissed the crowd, after he dismissed them, he went up on a mountainside by himself to pray. Later that night, he was there alone, and the boat was already a considerable distance from land. Buffeted by the waves because the winds against it. Shortly before dawn, Jesus went out to them walking on the lake. When the disciples saw him walking on the lake, they were terrified. "It's a ghost," they said, and cried out in fear. But Jesus immediately said to them, "Take courage, it is I. Don't be afraid." "Lord, if it's you," Peter replied, "tell me to come to you on the water." "Come," he said. Then Peter got down out of the boat, walked on the water, and came towards Jesus. But when he saw the wind, he was afraid and beginning to sink, cried out, "Lord, save me." Immediately Jesus reached out his hand and caught him. "You of little faith," he said, "why did you doubt?" And they climbed into the boat. The wind died down. Then those who were in the boat worshipped him, saying, "Truly, you are the Son of God."
Matthew chapter 14, verse 22. Wayesecindezela masinyane abafundi ukuba bangene emkhunjini bamandulele ukuya phesheya aze amukise izixuku. Esezimukisile izixuku wenyukela entabeni eyedwa eyokukhuleka. Sekuhlwile wayeyedwa lapho, kepha umkhumbi wawususukile, amastadiyo amaningi emhlabathini ushukunyiswa ngamaza, ngokuba umoya wawuphambene nabo. Ngomlindo wesine wobusuku weza kubo ehamba phezu kolwandle, kepha abafundi sebembonile ehamba phezu kolwandle bashaywa luvalo, bethi yisithunzi, bakhala ngokwesaba. Kodwa uJesu wakhuluma kubo masinyane wathi, "Yimani isibindi, yimina, ningesabi." UPetro wayesephendula wathi kuye, "Nkosi, uma kunguwe, yisho ukuba ngize kuwe phezu kwamanzi." Wayesethi, "Woza." Wehla-ke uPetro emkhunjini, wahamba phezu kwamanzi, weza kuJesu. Kepha ebona umoya wesaba, eseqala ukushona wakhala kakhulu wathi, "Nkosi, ngisindise." Masinyane uJesu welula isandla wambamba wathi kuye, "Awu wena onokukholwa okuncinyane, ungabazeleni na?" Sebekhwele emkhunjini umoya wanqamuka. Abasemkhunjini bakhuleka kuye bathi, "Ngempela uyindodana kaNkulunkulu."
Sikhuleke.
Lidala babizo lakho, liyaphila, lingubuqobo. Umhlaba usekele wawumisa phezu kwamanzi ngalizwi lakho. Baba uthongcwele, ekuseni inhliziyo yethu ikhamisele kuwe, ilindele futhi ilungele ukondliwa ngalizwi lakho. Khuluma ngalo, khuluma ngomntwana wakho, sizothula sikulalele ngayo uJesu Inkosi. Amen.
Bazalwane, ekuseni ngiyafisa sikhuleke phezu le ndaba engizoyintroduce ukuthi ngithi Kujwayelekile ukuthi njalo uma umuntu ebona sengathi uNkulunkulu ebona izinto zingenzeki noma izinto zi-against them, noma kubonakala imithandazo yabo ingaphenduleki, kujwayelekile ukuthi umuntu asheshe athi inkosi ungishiyeleni. It's a common practice ukuthi uma ubona izinto zakho zingenzeki, you assume ukuthi uNkulunkulu sekushiyile, futhi sounds and it appears like uNkulunkulu ukuyekile. Ngoba lithi iBhayibheli uJobe mayelahlekelwa izinto, wonke umuntu assumed ukuthi zilahleka ngoba uNkulunkulu njani usukile uflathela uJobe. Therefore noJobe naye uzabona ukuthi ayiphela, kodwa kubanje ukuthi uyamkholwa uNkulunkulu, noma ngabe kuthi uNkulunkulu usukile kodwa uyamkholwa uNkulunkulu. But it's a common practice ukuthi mawubona izinto zingenzeki ubona sengathi uNkulunkulu ukulahlile. Number 2, it's a common practice ukuthi uma ubona izinto zingenzeki, you begin to blame yourself. Kunabantu abaningi abadiscouraged empilweni nasevangelini because mangabe khona into engenzeki ngendlela, they begin to blame themselves ukuthi imina Nkosi engakwenzanga ukuthi, imina Nkosi engakwenzanga kahle ukuthi. And that struggle meke sangena ekhanda lakho, amathuba ukuthi umkholo uNkulunkulu aya ngokuncipha because njalo uvuke ekuseni uthola izathu ukuthi why lento ingenzeki. Kunabantu abakwi-loop yokuhluleka, not ngenxa ukuthi badalela ukuhluleka, kodwa bakwi-loop yokuhluleka ngenxa yezinto abayikholwayo. Ikhanda lakhe selamtshela enough ukuthi bonke bafanelekile, mina ngifanelekile. And umeke wangena kwi-loop yokuthi bonke abantu bafanelekile, mina ngiyabona bazalwane, once wangena kwi-loop yokufeyila, ukuphuma kuyona is very difficult. Because yonke into oyenzayo iqala ngokuthi vele usewuyazi izofeyila. Yabona mawuba lo muntu owazi ukuthi unamabhadi, ukuthi kwaqala kwenzeka into ukuthi iyaqala ke lento. Ngisanda kukhuluma nowethu ongitshela ukuthi yena akazi noma i-message yini evela kubantu bakubo bangasekho abamtshela something ngayo, ngithi bakutshela ngani, uthi angazi ngifone S8 noma S9 in less than a year. Ngithi mina kwenzakalani? Uthi nje vele ahlangane nabantu, uthi vele kumi actions vele ithi yesibhamu ngiphuce ifoni ahamba. Uthi futhi useyazi makuzokwenzeka, uthi mayehamba nje uyazi ukuthi hayi seyizokhala. Uthi nje uthe yambe, uthi uhleke washiya indawo, uthi wayihlala eNyanda. Wabona no, isimo into mawuyicabanga, uthi ngabona ukuthi iNyanda iyanginqaba. Ngoba mayihambe eNyanda uthi njani uyaphupha, wayesiyabona no, iNyanda njani iyamnqaba. Cishe abantu nawe kodwa wasuka eNyanda waseyivile.
Uyathanda.
Wasuka eNyanda. Wayilapha ngasemeyivile. Bayifika lapha eMayville, uthi eMayville ke iNyanda yamnika iminyakana before imnqaba. Udapha wathi ngena nje wathi safuna ukuthi itaxi imap nayo yonke into. Uthi ngoba ufika abafana bawu2 bathi uphetheni la. Bathatha ifoni. Now, uyazi inkinga uthi yini? Uthi useyibona nemoto mayisi ukuthi indlela eza ngayo. Izibani. Yazi ukwi-loop yokufeyila. Yonke into kuyena isiyisayini. Ibandla dlamini seliphila esikhathini lakho namhlanje khona ama-signs. Mhlawumbe siyilungisele ama-signs abantu abanganako ukukholwa. Even umzalwane nje ukukhulekela ama-signs ukuthi lento ngiyabona Nkosi ngiyazi uthe uzoyenza, kodwa ngicela unginikeze ama-signs awu5 avezayo. It's a sign yokuthi lento adishuka kuzikhali ukuthi faith is the evidence of things hoped for. Ngamanye amazwi mawufuna ama-sign umuntu onjani ongamkholwa uNkulunkulu uthi prove it to me before ngikholwa. Abazalwane bona bafuna ama-signs ngaphakathi. Lo yena wabona ngaphandle mayihamba ukuthi nayi lento, it's a sign. And I'm here to tell you ukuthi once wangena kuleyo nto, ngisho ungakhuleka kanjani mayisikubambela njani ikubambile. You see bazalwane, we habit of winning and we mindset yokungahluli. Ngisho irobot mawuza ngemoto lithi emba sekudlula ngikuphindele ulate mawusukule mentality yokuwina uphumile kulento yokucabanga ukuthi umhlaba is against you kunabantu nje abavalela amarobot nombuso la eWestmead uliqala la ngase-NPA elilandelayo limvalele nenale elilandelayo lapha ngasebheka limvalele athi afike eGoli limvalele mayehla la kune-traffic mayephuphuka livalile uyazikwenzakalani yonke into ayenzayo hambisana nefailure. Even umhlaba uyazi ukuthi lo ningamavulela bonke abantu kodwa lo kumelanga. But when you are in a habit of winning, you are not even cautious ukuthi irobot izovala, you are just driving. Ilona esala leyibonela ukuthi nayi wini idlule bese njani bese iyadlula. People who are sitting ekuhlulekeni yonke into abayenzayo iyaphuka. Yonke into beke bayicabanga yenzeka. Kukhona ama-experiences engingasho ukuthi mayekwehlele isilimo. Kodwa kunama-experiences engihlale ngiyibuza ukuthi kazi umuntu mayesefikile lesi stage sesekwenze njani. But abantu bayafika. And abantu bafika bahlale kulezo stage. Uthola ukuthi akuphumeki. Kodwa mase uyacheck. Isekhanda webazalwane ukugada ukuphila impilo yokuzahlulela zonke izinsuku. Ugcine sokubulala ifuture yakho because uphila impilo yokwenza njani yokuzahlulela. Umzalwane akakwazi ukuthi nginjena ngoba ngake ngamphoqa uNkulunkulu. Umzalwane akakwazi ukuthi nginjena ngoba ngangizalwe ubani. Umzalwane akawudingi umthandazo wokuzobreak ama-generational curses. Generational curses falls off when you raise your hand and say, Nkosi uJesu namhlanje nginikela impilo yami kuwena. Awukho umthandazo okudingakala ukuthi kuzobreakwa ulibo lwakadlamini because lithi iBhayibheli masiKristu siba isidalwa esinjani bazalwane esini bese lithi okudala sekunjani sekudlulile. Ngaba namazi awudingi umprofeti ozofika athi namhlanje ngizokhuluma nabantu ababizwa no masi yafika kuJesu siyaqhelaniswa nealtar elinesiqalekiso bese siqala ialtar elishelani elinesibusiso. Ngaba namazi when you are a child of God, you can't be haunted by his day in Dallas. You will be surprised, Mama, to be honest. Examples that we make. Ngathi nje uJesu landa umuntu kade ekhipha ingane nga6 nga7 eabort ingane umayithi inkosi yami akezwe kwanda kaNkulunkulu ukhalisa ukuthi ngikhumbuza ukuthi wayekhipha ingane oKristu uyakhona uthi lithi iBhayibheli okudala njani sekudlulile. Yakusindiswe 20 years ago namanje usakhalisa ukuthi abantu bephuma ngamafastela. You can't do that because usudlulile and if you keep that in your mind njalo uzohlala uzehlulela ngaleyo nto ukuthi iyona into enjani ekubambayo ukuthi ungayiphambili. Angikhulume nomuntu okholwa ukuthi wancishwa amathuba. Hayi nokuthi mina ngizange benenhlanhla, nina naba nenhlanhla nasuke naba namathuba nayo ukutshela ukuthi wena ukuthi inkinga phethu wena ke wethi wena wazalwa phethu ama-parents ayeshadile phethu izinto sami zidele yabonga ngiyolethi nethanga bethu kwizitha nje vele. When the cat happens, which you only got the last day time, so yeah, it's fine. Very walk pig. So what? Yes, walk pig. I mean, very. Foot now let go to Tom Jahal and do a phone which is again. Now, foot down, it's another sign of which I will come in. If you doesn't accept, may not accept, move on. Why must I tell my God if you don't accept it? If Baba can't accept you as his son, I don't need to fly nami your friend baba nami ngifuna wazi ukuthi kunesikhala esingaphakathi uthola waze sikadoct thina ngisekuba wakho mawufuna ubaba ngizobaba wakho. Because people waste money, they waste time, they waste their energy trying to be accepted. Akakufuna umuntu. And unama reasons why ngakufuna uNophezu ukuthi no baba ukuthi ngifuna wazi ukuthi nami kubuhlungu bazalwane. This is what you must learn. If you don't have something, stop meditating ukuthi awunayo. Meditate ukuthi kuphi okuyenza ukuthola ukudla. If usesikoleni kufika obaba bengane wena wakho akafiki, musulibela uma ngapha, kodwa ke thina obethu abafiki, nawe enze yakho chaos. Create yakho club nawe baba bangena ukuthi kusethina siphethe la umuve all because akusizi. abasitshwalayo thina esibhedlela abantu bazalwana. You must learn as a believer to create life. Nalapho nosathele uyakuvalela khona uyi-create impilo. Bonke abantu bathi sithi family day wonke umuntu akafike nomndeni wakhe ungasuki umuzi osimelela hayi bazalwane mina angifikanga ngoba ngithe mangibuka ngabona ukuthi ngizocwaseka. Come on, umntwana kaNkulunkulu acwaseke. Makuyi family day ufike kuthini siyabonga ukuthi senikhona. Wonke umndeni wanyamala kodwa sekunini namhlanje uhlale nathi impilo iqhubeke. Stop isolating yourself because uthi wena ayinake umndeni wamangilani kuyaphilwa whether wedwa noma 200 kunjani kuyaphilwa. Yamada siya utiniwe. Hey mina ngaza lo doke njena angilaki. Hamushaya abanye mama uthi happy birthday bafazi. Happy Mother's Day bafazi. Ngikhale phansi. Ule birthday yakasiyasebenza. Happy birthday Beyonce. Umzalwane uyaphila kuwona wonke ama-circumstances. Ukuthi wena indoda yakulahla mase musukuyifaka ama-category abantu abahlulekayo. Bakuthiwa wena hayi eyakho indoda ayisinsile kodwa-ke okusalayo ngenayo. Find something that is working. Eyakho indoda abiphuze kodwa iphuze bese iyabuya izekhaya. Find something that is working. Akadaka umfana kodwa noma enjayile angazi ngoma wakho uyangihlonipha. Find something that is working. When you focus on the wrong aspects, kodwa lensanga eyafika. Kodwa find something. Kodwa ngiyabona noma ngayibheka. Kodwa kusala uyabuya ezekhaya. Noma ngabe uhayi kanjani indlela uyayazi ekhaya. Find something that's working. You have a child who's struggling on maths. Musu kuyena ukhondela ingane. Uthi ngiyani ngiyazi ngithi yaqala. Kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi usabeleze usayisikhulu. Yazi ukuthi lento ayilulu ukuthi ngiyangana musana. I bless the Lord. When you present that, then put it here. I'm ingane. Angazi ngayithini. Kodwa yini ehlula ke mathi lapho kusho yena. Kusho yena uhlula i-religious education. Why should you buy me first them set down and say this? Umntwana kaNkulunkulu akafuni lokho kufeyilayo. Ufuna lokho phila. You can't be 45 years old. Usitshela ukuthi amathuba wena wasuka ngisho. You see at 45 awudinga amathuba ukuthi unikeze wena uzenzelayo. Umuntu ona 45 awazi ukuthi esingafele uma 45 ayikho inkandani na 45 ayikho. Waba nenhlanhla wena ukuthi esikoleni ekhaya bakunikeza amathuba ukuthi ufunde private school. Lalela. Find something that's working. Athi uthathela sasijabule lesibona abanye befunda ko boys bephatha ama textbook amaningi ezikhaba ezinkulu thina silezi izinto ufuna ukudla futhi ubona bakhambe phakathi ukuthi amazi kwabe bephatha izikhaba eziningi. Maybe one day we must have an interview. Somebody swale ngeke liyani ukuthi nani iphathela izikhaba eziwuthuli ama textbook ama and I don't know why they befake izikhaba but uthuli lapho ufunda izinto akho i-textbook i-textbook bawuya uyitholile yibo bawuthola samawika. But just when done, you find something khona lapho uthi yona ngiyakho i-textbook kodwa kusalani sofikana phambili. Akithi ngiyakuzwa ukuthandeka and base ngifika lecture ukuthi yasa ngikhona yakhamba kodwa phela uzwa bona isilisi sakho ukuthi hayi esithatha mama wawuzwa bona isilisi uyasizwa no webuza ama questions uyenza ukuthi no kakhulu uyakuzwa ukuthi no kakhulu wena yakhe excited ithanda ukuba very strong. You see, there is history between me and you. There is history, you understand? What is painful? Even the kids who are now getting better education. Parents are paying for good schools. But you still find them complaining. Ukuthi kungcono mina ngafunda ekhaya. Nalelo sesikholeni right, athi khona ingcono. Ngamamazwi usathana akafuni ubone la ukhona. Because nalabo abafunda ekhaya nje ufuna ukuyahamba uyofunda eMichael House. Ngithi ngizwe kathandekala because usathana akafuni ubone ukuthi right kangakanani. From your broken pieces of life, find something that is working. Uyakudlala usathana kutshela ukuthi wena akuphelele. Umtshela ukuthi lo tell makala ukuthi what I have is enough for me to cry. uJesu utshela abafundi ukuthi abawonele ngophesheya. Uyasala uyathandaza. Now, ufuna usixoxa isitori bese siyathandaza. Usala entabeni yathandaza. Uthi abangene empilweni bawonele ngaphesheya. From where Jesus was, he was above. Was he wrong with the body? Naba behamba khona awuphansi because babewela imfundo. Ngama amazwi awukwazi ukuthi intaba ibe phansi umfundo phezulu. Noma kuthiwa akazuwe ngeliki kodwa the fact that waphukule entabeni bona baqhubeka ukuthi he was elevated. Now if Jesus was elevated ukuthi uJesu wayebona istorm. Siqala ngestorm uJesu athi akasiboni because uJesu elevated. Bona balapha baphansi. Kodwa istorm saqala. Mawuzama ukubheka i-timeline uJesu wabayeka for about 6 to 9 hours. Bekustorm. Kodwa lihlele entabeni engenzi lutho. Geographically, Maui are corner because the corner in the lake exists, the lake is still there, and the mountain is still there. It will shock you if I tell you what the distance between Indaba and the lake Abagion is less than 600 meters. Gamama Jesu wayengeke ndweke bona bela kwaku intaba nje na ilake lapha uphuma kwilake bese ukubona kule ntabana bese uyakhona. When you stand there you see the entire lake. Now, 3, when you are in the elevated area, when you see what stop in Abanaban, because uzumoheleza kakhudlwana kwena before after abantu pants. So before ufike wayesewuzwile ukuthi khona into ezayo. But Jesus was never moved by how deep and how big the storm was. Namhlanje I want to give you an answer with why Jesus was not bothered. Because Jesus had given the instructions as well in the Lapeshe. I'm sure maybe we will make it, or maybe we might not make it. What keep it calm, what as well in the Lapeshe. Why say a football to Genesis start a Sakumu to what I say a cake? What Kumbul will start a Kanina, Alaselia Kan. What Kumbul is like a Sataku corner. So Jesus had a lot of evidence, a proof, what must keep it calm. Ukuthi kwenzakala nemvakalo kodwa kwenzakala igenze. So utshela lapha bishop akaxakekile for this period esengibalini is because he knows ukuthi no matter how big the storm can be, but akekho umuntu amcele ukuthi afe ukuthi abawenze njani abawelele ngaphesheya. Namhlanje kusena I want to tell you something that you have never realized. The fact that you are in this storm for this long, it's not because Jesus is not here. It's not because Jesus cannot see. It's because Jesus knows ukuthi lo aqalile ngempilo yakho uzofeza ekugcineni ngempilo yakho. The fact that uNkulunkulu ubonela sengathi akekho uthuli ngoba yena uyazi ukuthi end product. Wake wathula ngoJobe ngoba wayazi ukuthi into engiyikhiphe kuSathane ithe enza noma yini kodwa umphefumulo wakhe ngeke wenze lutho. Kwaphela konke washabalela kwathi kodwa kusalayo ukufa ngeke kuze kufike. Jesus is not too worried because he knows what he has given you the capacity to survive all the storms that you are going through. Why ihlalela? uNkulunkulu unayo tendency yokungamuva ama emergencies. uNkulunkulu lithi iBhayibheli wayifika njalo ekushoneni kwelanga ezobu Adam noEva. Ngesikhathi inyoka isondela kuyena izokhuluma naye ithi idla. Kwakufanele ngalesikhathi sentana ehlathi hayi Adam sishaba manje wayihlalela noma sebedlile futhi ebona sebedlile sebenqunu bayibona sebenqunu Nakhona ithi iBhayibheli wafika njengenhlala yenze. uNkulunkulu akamuva ama-emergency, uNkulunkulu akafani nathi ukuthi ngizwa kuthiwa seyibambene asambeni semthandazweni. Nayo leyo ngozi yokuphila imithandazo yama-emergency is very dangerous. It's a sign ongamthembi uNkulunkulu. The same prayer, there's a song that says the prayer I sing in the morning must be the same prayer and the same song I sing even in the night. Umthandazo engiwuhlabela phansi in the valley is the same mthandazo I make even in the mountain. Iba yikholwa elingaqali umthandazo eziphehleni because lisatshiswa izimo, because nako lokho khombisa uSathane ukuthi awuyithembi into ohamba nayo. We must get to a level where mawungena eTexini uvuke wathandaza wathi inkosi sesiqalile usuku lusesandleni sakho, siyabonga ukuthi sesinqobile futhi siyabonga ukuthi lophela uhamba ngani. Ungena eTexini uze uthi hayi igudluzela kakhulu manje sekuyafiwa, ube kwihabit yokuhlala urelax ukuthi wena Nkosi sixoxile ekseni ukuthi mina ngibeke wesivini and there is no weapon formed against me that shall prosper. Iproblem yebandla meke wathi umuntu nje hey yazi ngikubone usesimene esimbi kanjani senjani Nkosikazi ngiyayeka ukudla manje ngiyafasta ibandla libona ngifa. Stop panicking. Prayers that are given through panics are a waste of time. When it was time for prayer, Jesus went for prayer. But when it was time for Bethel, abang Satan. Because uJesu akamuva ama crisis. Mabefika uJudas Iscariot ezakuyena ezohamba enza yonke into. Akasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami baba sesifikile leso sikhathi uyarelaxa uthi enza into ezengayo and bese uyasheshisa. Because we have to just unjani usethandazini. Once we pray, we must stand in the position say sesithandazile iseke into ezokwenzeka. Lo mpheniko ophilayo meke wabona into encane nje ngegama likaJesu. Udlula ubona into eyibhodlela encane emnyama in Jesus name. Uhlanga nohlanga liza kanje kwena indane impilo yakho nje wena uyakhasta makhonto oyibonayo ngana nathi yonke into oyibonayo devil lie uSathane uyazi abantu devil I see you must not live a life of panic. You must maintain the same posture in the storm. It must be the same posture noma usuphumile kwistorm. Bathi abantu asik understand ushonelwe noma ushonelwe ukhuluma into efanayo. Umuntu onjani wena umtshela ukuthi ngithandaza consistently. Ngoba nayo lento ukuthandaza uNkulunkulu ngokufuna izinto nayo isayini ukuthi umthanda uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu usifulela into zakhe. uNkulunkulu usifulela kuyena sinalo noma singenayo. Sithi baba udumo lufanele kukhona noma kungekho udumo lunjani lungo lwakho. Futhi wena ufanele ukubatazwa maxesha onke. Wena sidlile noma sidlanga sizophakamisa igama lakho sithi wena wedwa ungcwele. Sithi akekho uNkulunkulu ongafaniswa ngaye nawe. Siyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungcwele ukuthi wena ukhona ngaso sonke isikhathi. Wona wonke amasizini wena uyavela ephansi ukhona phezulu ukhona. Sizothi phakama akekho ofana nawe. Bese uyalala bese uyavuka usho siyeke. Iprogram yakho wena eyakho inthandane njalo ithi baba nasi inkinga zingibambile. It's a prayer of failure. Lapho uJesu afanele athandaze umthandazo wokunqena uyabonga. uLazarus ufile uthi baba ngiyabonga ukuthi wena uyangizwa njalo ngikho. Ngamanye akathi baba isimo esengibhekene naso ufile umngane wami kade bengilindile no he doesn't panic uthi ngiyabonga baba ukuthi wena njalo uyangizwa njalo. Ufeyiswa abantu abaningi abathi ngikudla khona isikhathi somfana omncane uyasithatha akathi ukuthi baba ngwele enzile bona uthi lithi iBhayibheli wasiphatha nje wasifusisa wayesethi ngiyacabanga wathi udumo seliletha wena nakalesipho wathi banikeni manje iproblem yakho wena igama lithi thandaza ukucela. When we say pray wazi ukuthi kuyacela. Lithi iBhayibheli we must never be anxious about anything, but we must pray about everything. Now I say, I start as hey, now setback. No. Hey, the things are so much. kunokuthi ngane no siyabona ukuthi Nkosi usinike izingane ukuthi masiletha umuntu enhle kangaka ivela kuwe wonke umuntu ubhizi uthi ngibuyele baba ule ubhidla ngekhona no uthi baba siyabona. There's power. What did they taught me that I will always cherish is not to talk about izinto ezimsulwa, but is to talk about izinto ezenza. There's a season that we are not very soon. I'm saying that we are not going to see very soon. To live soon. Kunokuthi angitshela ukuthi eminyango kuyafika. Uzofa nayo yonke into. Wathi njalo ukuthi umdala nangazi uzophila. Uzube nemoto uzindwa takabala. Nje ukuthi umuntu othandaza every day akayibele ngisabe le moto othanda nayo. So kesibona ukuthi izobhela ngaba nemoto manje. Uma ushuba kwami so kesibona izobhela. Ngizwa nami uma ushuba kwakhe so kesibona izobhela. Apho umntana uphela university. Uma ushuba kwakhe so kesibona izobhela. Uphelele endaweni kalungile. Uthi yabo usuyindoda usune moto awuqala nje okay bese zosho wathi nathi ugade kodwa ngoba la bantu entanda nababona bonke abathanda ulamela kathi ungathanda uzwe umnyama kakhulu ukubamba unganaki kodwa ke ugade ulamela yabona ukuzo njalo wena usabe igama lesifundile lo mntana uyangithanda kunokuthi angithethise ukuthi ngihambe ebusuku umtshela ukuthi angigade izinto engangilimaza angitshela yabona umehluko. And I'm going to say, no, I'm not a reason to no. You see, we see tandas and tandas, 8 images. Sometimes it's probably images, tandas and tandas all the see. And say, persons or tandas and the final Lambi, and tandas and the final Gilambi, Gina, Lumang Suti, the short girl of Mabu on a boat. Just to 2 later, about Fundi, Basenking. Later on, your figure. Nansi ngite funa ukuvala ngayo. uPeter uyayibhala naye le ndaba in his books. Exoxa indaba ukuthi babe senkingeni. uJesu wafika ngene emkhumbini wasecisha isitofu. uMark naye futhi uyayibhala le ndaba. Nayo Stefan ukuthi uJesu wangena emkhumbini umoya waphela. Now what is interesting ukuthi uMark wayengekho. When you talk about Mark wayengena umfundi. So Mark was not there. Ngesikhathi kunestomp nje uMark wayengekho. But mawufunda iBhayibheli uyathola ukuthi uMark waxoxele uPeter. The Gospel of Mark is written by Mark. But this guy ibhalile imost yazo uyitshele uPeter. So it is Peter's view of the gospel, but articulated or written down by Mark. So you can show Mark, who she take Peter, why Peter said the gospel according to Mark. No Peter now we by the Lendaba. Now it's interesting, who Peter yoke like by the Lendaba. Lo Peter have the place of a man. Upa little good we are cars to Jesus Sala. Besentabeni mathandaza uJesu bona bensenkingeni uyakhaza ukuthi wathatha isikhathi esingana uyichaza yonke indaba bese efika kule part yokuthi bathi spoke akayixoxa uPeter lo ndaba uzona zonke imanje ama account akho uPeter nale ayitshela uMark naye akasho lutho ngale usixoxa sonke istory kodwa mayifika la khona ukuthi bathi mase bebona uJesu yami emanzini basaba bathi spoke lutho uPeter ayikhuluma lo ndaba uvela nje uJesu waqhamuka bambone hamba emanzini wayesengena emkhumbini isitofu sasesiyaphela sonke sasithi kanti umuntu onjani namanzi akulalela uPeter no Mark otshela uPeter bagcina lapho lo ndaba ayikhuluma uMateyu uPeter uvale la umuntu ophaleza le ndaba ubani uMateyu uyachaza ukuthi they were terrified. Uyachaza nokuthi uPeter wathi makuwena Jesu isho ngiphume ngize kuwena uJesu wathi mina it is I lithi iBhayibheli wasiyaphuma istory start Peter PK sokuthi uhambe emanzini asixoxe uPeter sixoxe uMateyu yabona lento yethusa ukuthi uPeter umnikazi wendaba mina ngizobhala phezulu mina ngumbhalo uncane ngizothi Jesus and Peter walking on water wezami incwadi ngoba phela nayo uPeter wenze njalo wahamba bathi indakamele lithula itunga lendaba umuntu okhuluma lendaba uMateyu ongahambanga emanzini ifuna namhlanje sishintshe ifocus yethu sibuke ukuthi mhlawumbe yini ngami engadala ukuthi uPeter angaxoxi ngale ndaba. We always bishop celebrate ukuthi uPeter wahamba phezulu kwamanzi ngokholwa ngoba walalela igama lika Jesu wayeseyaphuma wayeseyahamba bese sithi yes noma awena kodwa kusalayo wawo siphinde sishumayele ukuthi ukuba kabukanga istorm waqhubeka wabonga amazwi kaJesu wayezosurvive. It's a very good sermon. I've preached the sermon. I will always preach the sermon. But namhlanje ngifuna siyibuke differently. It is highly possible that Peter is not sharing the story. Sesiyathandaza. It's possible that Peter is not sharing the story simply because unamashoni ukuthi akahlalanga kwistorm wehla yena uphuma kwamayifa kuwena ithi ngisho ngibize ngize. It was not because of faith but it was because of escape, because base behlala kwistorm for too long ebona ukuthi ezomsiza la ukuthi ngingafa ngiphume ngenze njani ngiyekele. So le bravado eyamthwala ngenze kuba ngeyona ifaith kwakuwukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukuyihlele lento ngiyazi lo muntu ozomsindisa. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngabantu abahlalayo kwistorm. Sicelebrate kakhulu abantu abaphumayo babaleke kwistorm. Labantu abawu-11 abahlala kwistorm bakusomlinda ezafika uJesu. Asikhulumi ngabo sikhuluma ngalo yedwa wayeqa wabaleka waya kuJesu. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma nalabo abahlalayo kuyahlala kwistorm because I believe ukuthi victory enkulu ikulabo abahlala. Noma sebonile ukuthi sport kodwa baqhuba wenzile bahlala. Because uthi uMateyu nje be-terrified. But isport uyacabanga banenkinga yestorm. Sebenenkinga yesiphofu kodwa still benze njani inkinga esiwu-2 zidinga ukuthi ubaleke zo-2 kodwa benze njani bahlala. It is possible mntakakuzwayo ukuthi uPeter akaxoxi ngestory not because entobela, it's because uyazi ukuthi yena mayephuma wengakhishwa ifaith and evidence ukuthi wengakhishwa ifaith uhamba amagxathana bese yawa because uyabuyela ama-settings ukuthi lokhu baleke ngikwenzayo kukubaleke ngokusangana ngoba amanzi lawo bese yaqina. Izothi kuwena musuba ibeliever ethi mangabe khona istorm ushiye bakhe. Musuba ibeliever ethi makhona istorm ushiye umuzi wakho wami. Ngizothi kuwena musuba ibeliever ethi mawuhlushwa yingane ugiva uthi uyahamba amakhaya. Musuba ibeliever ethi mangabe kunestorm ubaleke kuyahlala kwistorm uthi sohlala singena la sizophuma la. Noma istorm sithatha 8 hours noma sithatha 2 hours noma sithatha 24 hours kodwa wenze njani siyahlala kwistorm. Singasihlale celebrate ukuthi njalo wena eyakhipha kazithi ngisinde ngokulambisa not because uNkulunkulu ufile kwistorm wena uphumile wabaleka. Nathi iproblem ngobaleka kwistorm. Mawubaleka kwistorm sala eNazaretha mawungaspass lesi storm uyofika la sefana naFM sikindi mangabe wahluka iklasi sokuthembeka la ePython ngisho mahambi wahlala eAmerica kovela ukuthi ugrade 1 fail iklasi lokuthembeka uze kuthiwa umuntu usemi-level ka-CEO kodwa uxosheke into umsangane yazi kwenzakaleni wafail iklasi esawumuntu omusha lamhlula weqa amaklasi wafika waba semdala sase asuma ukuthi usehlakaniphile ngoba mdala kanti into lezi mhlophe ukuthembeka ngabafundi asuke from phezulu ayiphansi uze kuthiwa umuntu u-CEO uxosheke ukuthi ubhala amakhilomitha wrong etraveling. Umbuzo uthi malini traveling athi hayi ngange-Maritzburg ngaya kabili ngabhaji ngike ka-4. Oh okay uzothola malini ngoku 1.4 iclaim yakhona ulahlekelwe umsebenzi uholela 3 million because wafela iklasi yokuthembeka usawumuntu omusha. Seliyavela sewumdala ukuthi iyakuhlula lesini yokuthembeka uxoshela amakhilomitha awu-1,800 rand ulahlekelwe umsebenzi wa-1,000,000. Every storm that you are going through don't escape. Stick in the storm until you pass the class. No matter how long it takes, but put your head on and say ngizohlala kulomlimi. Uyenolanda naye asiyiphumeli. Uyenothumelile uyena uMafrika kwazolanda abafana emlilweni. Uyena ovaliwe imlomo yengonyama. Akuthini sivala uyena ofika bese yayivala. Iproblem thina sifuna ukuyivalela baba seyibamba asingayibambi uyena ubamba umlilo. Thina okwethu kuhlala uJobe wahlala wahlala wabekezela kwaze waliqeda iklasi. Ngizothi kuwena sometimes you feel it's too long. Namhlanje ngizokutshela ukuthi kuyahlala. Futhi into ezokusiza ungabheka abantu bahlalise kube ngapha because amajenis uhambayo. Awafani. Umuntu weGoli needs more petrol. Yena umuntu weMelspel. Umuntu weSwazini needs more petrol than umuntu weGoli. Umuntu weZimbabwe needs more petrol than umuntu weGoli. Sometimes we are busy for Magneto. Kunabantu nje abadecide very easily. Athi umuntu mama kunje ngiyawushare umsebenzi. Ngeke mina ngiyeze ngiyawushare umsebenzi. Kunabantu una 20 years usebenze search abanganhlaba bawu20. Uthi nje me wangena bamhleba kanti ngeke phela ngiyaphuma. You see yonke into yakhe. Yo. Sesama bafana bawu8 bonke bafuna ukushada la bonke bonke bakushada nje ngigijima wena ngeke ngiyoqala. Uthini? Ubani? Uthi uxoxa neTesla yale. Uthi lo uyaliqeda ibandla manje uyahlangana umhlambi kaJehova uyasebenza kanjani uyahlulela hla akuhlaleke that picture engiyiphelile manje noma ngiyiphi impilo iphathe impilo yakho ungavumi ukuthi bomuntu oxhumana because moyigqumela into wayibalekela la uzoyifica phambili. Is it because ukulula ngathi ngeke uthembekile ukuthi wena fanele kudlule kulena? Is it because ukulula ngathanda no uyathanda? Is it because ukulula kufanele sisebenze ngathi no? Because not any mistake we think fanele lento sidluleke ngoba fanele sithwale kanzima. Akona ukuthwala kanzima. It's a sign yokuthi uyamkholwa uNkulunkulu. It's easy for you to say uNkulunkulu uyamkholwa because awakaze kube khona into ezokuvezela noma i-test ukuthi uyamkholwa ngaphela. If I say I love you and njalo uma ufuna into ngikunikeze, i-test yokuthi nawe uyamthanda ukuthi noma ngingasakunikanga kodwa ngifike ngibuze ukuthi I love you bese uthi oh uyamthanda ngaphela noma sengingasamnikanga, because sometimes we think it's love kanti sekwi-relationship ye-benefit ukuthi ngoba konke ngiyithola kuwena njalo sengizothi ngiyanithanda. Igama lokuthi ngiyanithanda bazalwane kufanele ngikwazi ukulikhipha noma aluvuma ngo-amen, kodwa still ngikwazi ukulikhipha bazalwane noma kunje kodwa ngokunithanda ngeke ngiyeke. Understand that it's what so when God is not giving what you want now, or what you want is not appearing now, it's not because I'm full ukuthi sibele emqondweni ukuthi noma sakani sisila siyahluka ngithi uma sidlula kuma storms, and ama storms it doesn't have to be izinto ezibambisa ekhaya. A storm can be a simple application of promotion. I want promotion in a particular area emsebenzini wami. Ngiyasebenza angifunela nokuthi ngiyahlupheka no angihlupheki, but I just want promotion. Kube ngathi uthi yamba kancane. No, it's not because wena uNkulunkulu akafuni. No, ufuna uNkulunkulu uchaze ngeclass ukuthi siyanqoba. Igama leli siyanqoba lisho ukuthi content isiphikisa kodwa senze njani sayinqoba. Not because kufanele sithi fanele sithwale kanzima. No. It's just it's a show off kusathana ukuthi buka noma ushozi ngiyibambile promotion kodwa buka usayinkosi wethu. Because uNkulunkulu usuke show off ngoshozi ukuthi athi usathana soke sibone ukuthi ngoba umnika ngani umuntu efunayo. Amfike ngesonto ushozi ethi Jesu inkosi. Bese kuba ishame kusathana lo muntu ukuthi akaphazamiseke. When we go through these trials, it's not because simele ukuthi siphile kanzima. No. It's because uNkulunkulu usuke show off ngathi ukuthi noma ungamenzani izwe kodwa kusalayo. Bambelela ungayiki. Ungadedeki. Umlilo uzoqala. Storm ngesiqala. Noma besinzima kangakanani kodwa ngesiqala. uNkulunkulu ambusise.
Baba siyabonga egameni likaJesu, siyabonga uNkulunkulu wethu ongcwele, siyabonga uNkulunkulu onamandla onke, siyabonga uNkulunkulu ophakemeyo.